Hello, Sarah Arp with Benish Real Estate, and today we are at 1801 State Road 60 East in Mitchell, Indiana. This home is almost 2,300 square feet, has 4 bedrooms and 2 baths, and it is beautiful. You've got to come in and check this out. We are just a couple minutes away from Spring Mill State Park. As you first enter, you come into the first of the living rooms. It's beautiful. Everything is white and clean and pristine in here. Lots of natural light. Big windows. It is gorgeous in here. And this kitchen is amazing. I would love to have this kitchen. Has gas appliances, lots of wood cabinetry, a beautiful bar with stools you can sit at and eat and visit. This kitchen also includes a dining area. It's an eating kitchen. We can come this way. It's the first of the bedrooms we're going to come to. It's the main bedroom. This home has 4 bedrooms, 2 baths, and it is a split plan. So this is the main bedroom. It's very large. Big windows letting in lots of light. And it has an amazing bathroom. It has a big garden tub. Beautiful countertops. 2 sinks that are separated. I love this bathroom. And it includes the walk-in closet, which is humongous. You can take a peek in there if you want to. It is a humongous closet. I would enjoy filling that one up. And if we come in this way, go back through the living room and the kitchen area, which is so nice, open, and breezy. And in here you'll find the second living room, or the family room. Has a beautiful corner fireplace that is gas. I love this room. It has a very country cabin-y feel to it. And off the family room here, we have some more bedrooms. There's one here and here. They both have large closets. You could use these as your home office, or a kid's playroom. Lots of room in these bedrooms. And on in this way. We have another bathroom. So it's your second bathroom here. Nice and roomy. And another bedroom. Got lots of bedrooms. And this here is the upstairs attic entry. I would like to give you just a peek if you'd like. It is not finished, but you would have plenty of room to put more bedrooms, a huge playroom, a big craft cave. That's what I would probably do with it. Closets here, and this is the large laundry room. And I do mean large. Plenty of room to fold your clothes, and there's a sink to wash. 2, I believe these are utility closets here. And one of my favorite parts, this walks out onto a beautiful back porch. You can hear the wind chimes. It's a fully fenced backyard. So if you have pets or little ones that you want to let out and play, you don't have to worry about them getting too far. plenty of room to sit and visit and have family get-togethers. Thank you so much for joining us on this See It Now tour of 1801 State Road 60 East. If you'd like to take a look, let me know. I'd love to show it to you. Until next time, bye-bye.